Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to activate the projection to this PC option. For example, here I have projection to this PC. I cannot project to this PC because those are not activated and I cannot activate them, as you can see. So I cannot activate them. So what I need to do is basically go on setting. So go on setting, so setting, and go back, that's setting. So I go on setting, and then in setting I go to the apps. I go to applications, apps. Okay, in apps I need to go to apps and optional feature, and here I can search I'll go on add a feature, and here I can search for like wireless display, wireless display, and here this feature I need to install it. So I install it, I wait for it until it's installed. It takes on. Installation failed for some reasons. Yeah, because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. Sorry for that. So I need to connect myself. Connect. Okay. Just like put my password. 1 second. Okay, now I'm connected, so let's go back. So here installation, so I click on add feature and wireless. I search for wireless display, and I install it. So I pause it while it's installing, just for a couple of seconds. Yeah, now it's installed, so I can go on setting, and I go on system again now, and I go projecting to this PC, and this should be, I can add something here, as you can see. Just make sure you put this required pin for pairing. That's people don't just start projecting your laptop or PC. Okay, thank you for watching. Please share with people that you think they might need this option, and this is a nice option if you have, for example, some work to do and you need more than one screen. Yeah, and it's wireless, obviously. Thank you for watching, and bye.